This video guide is about getting rid of the ransomware called VoNiX. VoNiX is a ransomware that encrypts files and damages the files considerably. My video, of course, is only for the educational purposes. As you can clearly see, before the ransomware attack, we were able to open our files without troubles. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, all other data can be opened easily without complications. However, regretfully, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this VoNiX ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the system. Then very soon users realize that something bad has happened with their files and that they cannot access their data anymore. This ransomware actually encrypts files and damages the files essentially. When people restart their computers and turn them on, they soon realize the negative consequences of the ransomware attack, and it's just impossible to open the files anymore. The files that got encrypted by this VoNiX ransomware. So this VoNiX is the extension that is appended to the file names, and it's just impossible to open the files anymore. So the ransomware also drops this ransom note indicating that the ransom needs to be paid for file recovery. But paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. Don't waste your money. Don't pay the ransom. We recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of a reliable antivirus such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus. To download it, you will need to use Internet Explorer browser because other browsers may be damaged by the ransomware. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and then after it gets successfully installed, start carefully researching your computer. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will help you to effectively detect this particular ransomware and to remove it effectively. Combo Cleaner, of course, is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. You need to click on Start Scan button. Then the program will begin scanning, researching, and investigating your system. But first of all, it will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware or any other threats. Combo Cleaner, however, does not decrypt files. It helps to detect and remove this ransomware and to protect your files with anti-ransomware feature, but it does not decrypt files. But you may find a special article in the description to this video, which will give you more information about this VoNiX ransomware and ways to possibly recover your data which got encrypted by this horrible ransomware-type infection. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the infections. You'll be able to know their exact locations. Consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your data always protected.